Okay, so this is dissecting of the first engine that was in the parts. See, when I saw this, I said that the motor must come apart. The previous owner said that there is only gear 4 and 5 that was changed, but when I saw that and I started to clean it, look, this is diesel, and I just cleaned the cover, this one, together where the oil filter is. These two are still to be cleaned, and look what already is there. Look, yeah, all the parts are here. Here is the gear. The gears also have to be changed, some of them are in really bad condition, and here is the crankshaft, which has to be changed as well. Yeah, so the second engine is prepared for disassembly, and I will be making a video for that shortly. So this is it. This is the status of the white XL600 RM